Here I am, enjoying a walk down a new trail I found in the woods. Let's see where it goes. This is fun. What a great day it is today, too. Almost near Halloween. Usually it's cold. I don't know. This may be an ancient trail. It's like unkept but clean at the same time. This trail may be at least 70 and maybe 100 years old. I don't know. Who knows? I have no idea what I'm about to walk up onto, though. Someone's littering tires. Small clearing here. Watch out for these things. Cockleburs, thistles, or whatever they're called. Oh my goodness. Whole field of thistles. Well, it comes to a dead end. Let's see if there's a, looks like I can get through right here. Oh. Okay, that was just a little side trail or something. Back on the main trail. Somebody must drive on this with some type of vehicle. It's like a four-wheeler trail or something. Dirt bike trail. Pretty cool. Looks like something buried underneath that little mound. Hell, what do I know, though? I only know what I see on the different YouTube videos and stuff I look up on the internet. You never know, though. Oh yeah, someone's been ripping around on here. Alright. Hey. Tire swing. That's cool. Lord only knows how old this area is, or what it was once used for. Oh, nasty water in there. Oh, damn it. Alright, signing off. Oh, fuck.